Man, look what we have today in store. Look what we have. It's a Torsen LSD 3.13 2GT from a 2022 Lexus IS500 F Sport Performance Launch Edition. Wow, let's go. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel for another video. I hope you guys are doing great. And in today's video, you're not gonna believe what I have. It's the 3.13 LSD from the IS500 F Sport Performance. Man, I am so happy that I found this. Man, junkyards again, they always strike. Let me tell you, man, when I saw this, I just jumped on it. This is the same LSD that is in Lexus RCF IS500, and then it was an option for IS350 and then GS350 and the RC350, the F Sports with rear wheel drive. That one is the 2GT. I mean, you can't see the label right here because it's all black, but let me show it to you. This is the LSD again, and this is what the pattern looks like. So here's the short story on this. I was about to get suspension, well, lower control arms and rotors and pads for this car, and then I found this one in Venice, Florida, which is like 30 minutes away from me. So I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna pass on the lower control arms and the brake pad and rotors for this car. I'll just buy this one because I could not pass on this deal. These things, they usually go for like $2,000. 15 is the lowest I've seen them on eBay, but now I bought this for under $1,000. Like, I just couldn't pass on that deal. Now the only thing is to make this they fit on these cars, like the third generation GS or the IS, if you have an ISF. On this part right here, on this second gen IS and the third gen GS and the LS460, this right here, these two bolts, they go this way. Then on the third gen IS and the fourth gen GS and the RC, they goes that way. What you can do is use the cover that you already have on your car and just swap them. But since I'm doing this anyways and the bushing on this car is old, I'm just gonna buy the RCF bushings from Figs Engineering and start it on this car instead of swapping the covers. Even though that diff is technically brand new, this diff has 30,000+ miles on it. I'll show you guys a picture of the IS500 that this diff came from. I am excited, man, to install this. I cannot wait. But before we install this, I need to replace the seals. But guess what? I already have the seals. Remember when I tried to do LSD on the IS350 and then something happened and then I had to just throw everything away, but I still have all the seals that I need. Find out these seals. Lexus used the same seals for all of these cars since 2006. It's still the same. I checked the part number and it's the same seal, so I'm good with seals. So I'm not going to install the LSD on the car yet, because I'm not done with the car yet, because I still have to replace the whole front end of the suspension and the whole rear end suspension. So I know that these videos don't get views and people don't watch them because maintenance is like, videos are like powering and stuff, but you can just modify a car without doing the maintenance. So this is the first big purchase for this car in kind of modifications, but I do have the F Sports sway bars for that car, and I do have an ISF TCU as well that we need to install, but I still have to replace the motor mount, and I still have the transmission, the oil pan is leaking. I still have to fix that next week. Now if you watch the last video when I did the transmission mount, I tried to do the motor mount, but it was so hot in here I had to just pass there. But this weekend I'll try to do the motor mount early in the morning, so it's not that hot. It's already too hot here in Florida, like 5 minutes here and this garage, you like, it's just, you're gonna have a freaking heat strokes here. So I am excited, man. I am excited about this LSD, and I can't wait to install it and see how it feels. And the only thing is, for the brake pads and orders, I wanted to do ISF brake pads and orders, but I don't know if I should spend the money, honestly, because I already spent so much money on this car just on maintenance. So I'm still thinking about it, but we'll see. I think that car is 3,900 pounds. I think the bigger brakes would actually be beneficial. And interior update. So for the interior, I got a new radio and a event. Now as you can see, everything is all black. So the old one, it needs a new screen, so it's all black. Everything not black, but it's just that you can barely see anything. This is where we are with this car, and then I'm still waiting on the custom leather seats so I can be done with the interior. But other than that, this is it for this video. Just showing you guys that I found an LSD for this car. So I hope you guys have a good night, good afternoon, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace. Man, I am excited.